Today, it's all about wedding guest makeup. We're going to a wedding this weekend and I'm doing the bride's hair, which I'm very excited but nervous about because I haven't practiced on her because it's out of state, but I practiced on my sister and that went well. But today, it's all about the wedding guest makeup. What kind of makeup I'm going to do on myself. I wanna do something minimal, but something festive, maybe like a bright lip, a little pop of shimmer on the eyelids, but this is also what I'm taking with me on the airplane. We're also going there for like almost a week. I already prepped my skin using Dr. Jart, the Ceramidin, the Cream Moisture Retention Shield. I like this one under makeup, especially if you have drier spots. I really focus this on areas where I'm really dry, but this wears incredible under makeup. Starting with the Makeup Forever, the HD Skin Palette. This is the new one that doesn't have the blushes. This one has more of like the contours, the bronzers, the shimmery highlighters, and the color correcting and the highlight. I was debating taking foundation with me, but I don't want to take the glass bottle, especially with travel. Let's start with this one first. We're going to kind of do the underpainting technique. Kind of want to do a little bit of a warmer tone. Let's go with this one on the forehead. Makeup of Mario F1 brush. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows with these three products. First one being the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. Going to fill in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 4. And then to set my brows, to create that longevity and lock everything in place, the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Gel Setter. Concealer, Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. It doesn't crease as much as other concealers. It's just all around a great concealer and I just cannot get enough of it. Rare Beauty Concealer Brush. And these are also the brushes I'm taking with me as well. I'm gonna mix this lightest shade along with this shade underneath. And this is kind of going to be my foundation color. My foundation brush, Bobbi Brown. And I'm gonna take my time really blending this formula into my skin. I really like to take my time with cream products, just to really get that second skin-like finish. I'm gonna take a little bit of a cream blush, and I'm kind of focusing on smaller products to take with me. This is from Bobbi Brown, the Pot Rouge for Lips and Cheek in shade Powder Pink. And I'm gonna take the new Say, it's like the dual-ended brush. This formula is pretty pigmented. And then to set everything, oh, my beauty, Hydro Blast. I can't stop. White Pearl. And the only thing, yes, I am taking this with me, but I wish they had like a travel size that wasn't glass, but I'm gonna risk it. And this is the only glass product I'm bringing in my makeup bag. The Rose in Bed Powder Puff. And this is the only setting brush or setting tool that I'm taking with me because it is so small. And it reapplies the setting powder beautifully. So stunning on the skin. For the eyes, it's no surprise. Bobbi Brown, the dual-ended long-wear cream shadow stick. I'm gonna take Pink Mercury. This is a really, really beautiful, cool baby pink shade. But this is gonna match my dress so well. I'm gonna take the MAC Eye Kohl in shade Teddy and just give a little bit of a wing. Curl the eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using a waterproof mascara from Lancome, the Lash Adele, just in case I cry. And I'm keeping the lashes pretty wispy. I'm not gonna go heavy on the mascara. And this is also gonna hold the curl of my lashes. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the other side, the matte side. And I'm gonna take my Rose and Ben, this E27 brush. Just a little bit, you can see the difference it makes. For lips, I'm gonna take more of like a pretty pink rose for lip liner because I want my lips to pop for the wedding. I'm just debating if I wanna also define the lips a little bit more. So I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills in Rose Dream. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of muted mauve or mauve, maybe kind of outline certain areas to add a little bit more color and depth. I have a couple of lip options, like lip colors. I'm opting for like a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure if I want to go lighter or darker. So we'll see. I'm gonna take the Milani, the liquid or the Stay Put liquid lip in shade Glow Up. And I'm not gonna slather this on. Just a little bit. I just feel like I have to go even darker with the lip liner just a little bit. I'm gonna take muted mauve again, muted mauve. I wanna add a little bit of glow to my cheeks because I wanna glow on the face. I'm gonna use the same brush, the Say brush. And this is their new product, the Glow Sculpt. It's kind of like a highlighter with color. It looks intimidating, but there's not too much color payoff. There's just more glow. It looks like you're glowing from within. So you could use this like on top of your cheeks like I am. And it's very subtle. You can go very intense with it or you can go subtle like I am. Look at that, look at that glow. It just looks like I'm wet. In all the good ways. It doesn't look oily. It doesn't accentuate the texture too much on the cheeks. Obviously, if you go very heavy-handed because it is a highlighter, it will accentuate the texture. But it doesn't look chalky on your skin. It doesn't look like glitter on your skin. It just looks like you're glowing from within. A little bit on the nose. And then last but not least, going to set the face. I'm gonna take my miniature one with me or this one, because these are the mini ones that I have. I like the setting spray. I just don't like the mister. It's supposed to be very fine. I don't know if mine is broken, but even on the mini one, it also kind of spits on my skin. I'm just gonna take that powder puff with whatever is left on it and just kind of press the makeup into my skin even more. This is going to be my wedding guest makeup. And obviously my hair done, but I'm not gonna do my hair right now. I like the pop of pink. I like that I'm glowy. I'm not too overdone, but it still looks very festive. I look like I'm going out. And the makeup is going to last all day long because all these products are long lasting. And I am gonna take my powder with me along with my powder puff and my lipsticks, like, you know, which whenever I choose to wear. I'm gonna take the rose ink as well. It's a little darker. And then Milani and then the lip liners with me. So if I need to touch up throughout the day, I can, but most likely I won't have to. But I think this is gonna be the only thing I'm gonna take along with me in my purse. I'm really excited for the wedding.